There's a part of my job I'm looking to automate, and I'm going to use structured vibe coding to put a team of GitHub Copilot agents to work on this problem. As part of my job, I have to fill in a bunch of questionnaires, big Excel files with lots of sheets of questions. Some time ago, I made a multi-agent system to help me answer these questions, but it's still very manual. If I get a big Excel sheet, I have to copy each question in and paste it, and I'm tired of doing that. So I decided to start from scratch, this time using structured vibe coding and a team of GitHub Copilot agents. By structured vibe coding, what I mean is that I started with a spec. So I didn't just type stuff into the chat. I wrote this whole spec about how this tool should work, what the agents should do, what tools they'll have, like I gave the question answerer and the answer checker grounding with Bing search. How the workflow works when I give it a direct question or when I import a whole Excel file. Along with the spec, I gave it also a screenshot of what I would like the interface to look like. I gave that all to GitHub Copilot Agent, and it produced a pretty decent analog of what I was looking for. A little bit different than I'd envisioned. It did give me tabs instead of text boxes on top of each other, but I kind of liked it, so I kept it. Still, it didn't work perfectly right out of the gate. And this is where my team of GitHub Copilot agents came in. I started filing issues on the GitHub repo for all the things that I wanted to improve about this, and I assigned many of them to Copilot. During the course of this recording, I found a couple of different issues with my questionnaire agent. One of them is that some technical details are showing up in the reasoning box that I don't really want to be there. So I create this issue and I assign it to Copilot. When I push that create button, Copilot immediately picks it up and starts getting to work, while I begin creating a second issue. The answer checker is also a little too verbose in the reasoning box. So here too, I assign it to Copilot. I will create the issue. Now Copilot is working on both of these issues simultaneously. I have a team of 2 agents working at the same time to solve both of these problems. While it's working, I can use the GitHub pull requests extension to VS Code to watch my Copilot agents at work. Here I can see the pull request in progress, and I can view the active Copilot session to actually see it at work. When my little team of agents are done, I find 2 draft pull requests waiting for my review. I can review its log of the changes that it's made. It looks like it made the answer checker less verbose. It did run a number of my automated tests, and I can mark it ready for review. Before I merge it, I should review the code, so I will check out this pull request. It only modified one file, and it looks like it just removed a couple of the verbose lines I wanted it to take out. So I'll check this off. It looks safe. I'll merge the pull request, and now I can see in GitHub that this issue has been closed. I'll do the same thing for the other issue, reviewing the changes it made. Everything again looks kosher. And now, as I requested, my reasoning log is a little cleaner without all the technical details I didn't want there. When I run it on an Excel sheet, it can take minutes or even hours to process all the questions and all the sheets in the spreadsheet, but in the end, it sure does fill in the whole thing. It turns out that the best way to coordinate a team of agents is a lot like the best way to coordinate a team of human software engineers, by giving them a spec up front and well-documented issues to work on.